8th students, look at the page number 19, exercise 1.2 in numbers chapter. Third Roman letter, find the sum. First question, 7 by 5 plus 3 by 5. Here, both the denominators are equal. So, there is no need to add the denominators. The numerators alone should be added. They are called like fractions. So, add the numerators only. Add the numerators only. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 by 5. 10 by 5 is equal to 2. 1 5s are 5. 2 5s are 10. So, 2 by 1. What is 2 by 1? 2. Next, second question. 7 by 5 plus 5 by 7. They are unlike fraction. The denominators are different. So, as the denominators are different, we have to find the LCM. That is one method. LCM kandupidichu like fraction mathi add pandrathu. The second method is cross multiplication. Denominator numerator multiply பண்றீங்க, denominator numerator multiply பண்றீங்க, and then denominator multiply பண்றீங்க. As there is no common factor, cross multiplication is the simplest, easiest way. So 7 7s are 49 plus 5 5s are 25 by 5 7s are 35. That is equal to, add the numerators only. The denominator is 35. 9 plus 5, 14. Balance 1. 4 plus 1, 5 plus 2, 7. So 74 by 35. Third question, 6 by 5 plus minus 14 by 15. 6 by 5, write the first fraction as it is and then multiply the signs, plus into minus, minus 14 by 15. Here in these two fractions, the denominators are different. One method is finding the LCM, another method is (15) is a multiple of 5. So, multiply 6 by 5 by 3 by 3. That is equal to 6 3s are 18 by 15 minus 14 by 15. That is equal to, as they are like fractions and the subtraction has to be carried out, isn't it? So, subtract 14 from 18. 18 minus 14 is 4 by 15. Fourth question, subtract minus 8 by 44 from minus 17 by 11. From the second fraction, the first fraction should be subtracted. ரெண்டாவது ஃப்ராக்ஷன்லேருந்து ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஃப்ராக்ஷனை கழிக்கணும். அதாவது ஃப்ரம் ஃப்ராக்ஷன்லேருந்து முதல் ஃப்ராக்ஷன் அதான் ஃப்ரம் ஃப்ராக்ஷன் தான் ஃபஸ்ட் ஃப்ராக்ஷன். இந்த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஃப்ராக்ஷன்லேருந்து அதாவது இதுதான் ஃபஸ்ட் ஃப்ராக்ஷன் எழுதி அதிலேருந்து செகண்டாக minus 8 by 44 எழுதி சப்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ணோம். தட் இஸ் minus 17 by 11. அது ஃபஸ்ட் ஃப்ராக்ஷன். From the first fraction, subtract the second fraction, minus 8 by 44. Subtract பண்ணுங்க. That is equal to minus 17 by 11, minus into minus, plus 8 by 44. 8 by 44. That is equal to, one method is finding the LCM, finding the common factor and then changing them as like fraction. Another method is 44 is a multiple of 11. 44 is a multiple of 11. Multiply minus 17 by 11 by 4 by 4. So write the first fraction minus 17 by 11 and multiply that by 4 by 4. That is equal to minus 7 4s are 28, 4 1s are 4 plus 2 6. So minus 68 by 44 plus 8 by 44. That is equal to minus 68 plus 8. As you have a different sign, find the difference. Different sign in the difference கண்டுபிடிங்க. 68 minus 8 60. Okay, and consider the numbers only with no sign. Sign இல்லாம numbers மட்டும் consider பண்ணுங்க. 8 68. 68 is bigger, but minus on the smaller value. Minus 68 is smaller than 8. Okay, minus 60 by, put the sign of bigger number 68. Bigger number இருக்கனால 68 ஓட sign minus போடுங்க by 44. This can be simplified further as they are even number. 2 table cancel simplify பண்ணலாம். That is equal to, cancel this, cancel the numerator and denominator by fourth table. 11 4s are 44, 1 4s are 4, 6 minus 4 2 20. 2 is the balance, 2 பக்கத்தில் 0 இருக்கனால 20, 20ல 5 4s are 20. So the answer is minus 15 by 11. That is equal to, as it is a improper fraction, as it is an improper fraction, change it as a mixed fraction. Minus 11 எத்தனை இருக்குது பாருங்க, 1 time. 15ல 1 time இருக்குது சரிங்களா. 15 1 11 இருக்குது 1 11 or 11. So balance 4, that is equal to minus 1 4 by 11. That is the answer. Thank you students, God bless you.